Guys, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Trading Twilight and I'm Ankita Agnihotri. And today we have Wednesday. So on Wednesday, like market is on a particular support. So 25,800 till then it's above supports like 800 and like above the 800 level. So we cannot justify with the selling. Here you can I just give you a one learning at particular point that this is the buyers, fresh buyers in the morning only, and they has trapped two times, right? And the sailors as well. Here the sailors and the sailing is totally going to be not on a dominating place, like is very slow sailing. So slow sailing is always convert to a buying, and you can see a consolidation and then we can see a move towards the high. That is very much likely to happen, and it will be going towards the day and maybe go for a 26,000 as well. So here market is will be going to rest at 800. So try to make longs at here for the positional target of 26,200 in this maybe week. So this would be possible. Here I cannot go blindly for the selling. These are the best levels to buy, where 25,800 would be like below 25,800 you can take your SL and go for a small risk and high tradable. This candle is showing to me that buyers is totally making a position at here, and they firstly just wipe out the weak hands two times, and now the real buyers will be going come into picture by this trend line breakout of this uh, candle, and we will see the recovery then. So maybe the second half it will be going to recover fully, and where it has like sailed from like 25,970, which is the level key level where we have seen sailing since 2 days. So maybe it will be going to give this target. This would be your target 26,000 below. You can make your target for intraday basis, and for positional basis you can take your target 26,200, which is likely to happen at in this Nifty and in Sensex as well. This 550 above, these are the extreme support. So here you also need to try to make buy position, and like this in the morning buyers which is making position at here, the same candles we have seen in the Nifty, and it's also ready to move towards the upside. So maybe the target will be like 84,800. This would be possible. So you can make like 500 points in your pocket. So try to make longs at here. These are the extreme support. So once we will be going to like took a retracement and then selling will be continue. So we will be going to make position at the rejections, at the resistance, but in the supports where the selling is totally like wipe out at here, and no sailors has dominant at here. Slow sailing and consolidation and then breakout would be possible at this trend line. So try to make longs which will be feasible at here, and you will be going to make positions at here for the long side. So this is the best advice and bet like best trade for the day. So we are making longs at here in Nifty and Sensex as well. And Sensex we have a expiry by like tomorrow. So the like risk to reward is very low. Risk is very low, day low, and the reward is very high. Maybe the like tomorrow's we will see the recovery fully. So in this way you can make your position positionally, and like SL would be strictly follow the SL, otherwise it will be like coming for the retracement and then sailing will be, we cannot like we are just finding the probability. This that would be like 80% have a probability it will be go and give a upside like bullish move, but 20% there is a probability maybe it will be continue the trend. So for the 20% risk we are just strictly follow the SL. So that's make the sounds and perfect trade at here. So perfectly we are going for the long side at this particular 830, where 25 830 is a particular and good support and consolidation it's also happening at here. So we will be going to make at a particular bullish move to capture at this particular swing, which is pivot at 25 900 you can take, and then 900 above, then 26,000 as well. We can book, yeah, our profit partially. And for the positional based